All right, guys, I have a treat for you guys today. So I went back in the video vault and I found a car wash video that I put together on my Dodge Charger about 2 or 3 years ago. It's ridiculous, but it's actually kind of funny now that I look at it. And there might be a select few of you who have actually seen this video before. I published this on YouTube and I got an incredible amount of negative support on this video, which makes it even funnier that I'm going to be showing you guys this today. It was out there on YouTube for about 15 minutes, got a ton of dislikes. It's just ridiculous. But you know, I just wanted to pull this out of the video vault and show it to you guys. Go ahead and give it a thumbs down if you think it deserves it, because it probably does. But you know, if you like it, give it a thumbs up too. But just want to throw it out there to you, and you know, hope you guys like it and enjoy your weekend. Take care. Talk to you soon. Have you guys ever waited until it thunderstorms to wash your car? I sometimes wait until it rains and it thunderstorms because it helps the soap get the car cleaner.